What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Shh, it's early.
Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all and shed no tears. Behind the progress, behind our walls, we had it all and we want more. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. The future is ours, we run out of time. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. We don't care when you go.
And look at that sunrise! Woo-hoo! Man, that's crazy! Look at that! Man! Oh! Out on the water again? Man, just look at that. The wind is supposed to die down to nothing today, so this bit of chop that you see now should be gone in probably about 20-30 minutes. But anyway, let's go see if we can get some fish. How good is this, man? See what we can get. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Man, this morning has been an eventful one. It is 20 to 10. We launched at 7. I've been out to Little Barrier over there. Ski started giving me problems again, so kinda felt a bit dodgy. Saw the wind picked up a little bit and just called it and started steaming back to mainland. So that's mainland over that side. Yeah, I'm just hanging around in the middle of nowhere at the moment. The wind's actually starting to drop off like really nicely, so we'll probably go a bit closer to land, see if we can catch a few fish. Yeah, just don't really want to go too deep with the ski at the moment. I might take it in later today and just see what's going on with it. Yeah, let's see if we can get some fish. Woo! Fishing in the middle of nowhere. Sun's starting to get up nicely now. It's actually quite warm at the moment. The water's actually not looking too bad, unlike about half an hour ago. The wind is still coming over a little bit though. Might head over to that cliff over there, just hide away from the wind for a little bit. Maybe get the drone in there. Yeah, see how we go. See if we can spot some birds.
Won't you take me home? We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
fishy. So guys, we're at our new spot now. We came in a bit closer to land. Let's have a quick look over there. Yeah, so we're close into land at the moment. Just fishing in about 50 meters of water. I've caught one little snapper and a little cod, so it's better than nothing, so that's alright. But anyway, let's see if we can get some more. Let's see if I can reverse cast, eh? Man, that is skills. That is mad skills. Hopefully it brings me a fish. Man, the sun is so bright. Can't believe it, like we were just out there at a little barrier and it was and it's actually starting to look like it's really good now. Don't know if I regret coming back. I do feel a bit better being back in close to land. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable taking the ski out deep at the moment. Yeah, we'll just stay close to land and be safe. And hopefully catch a few fish while we're at it. Getting bites. Come on. Woohoo! Missed him. Man, it's like tiny little bites. Like it's really small bites. It's probably the same size as that cod that I caught. It's only like probably about that big. It's a tiny little one. But that's alright. Oh, whoo! That was a better bite. Just missed him though. Come on. Take it. Come on, man. Probably ate all my bait off. Come on. What? That's crazy. There's like these little anchovies swimming around. I don't know if you... Can you guys see that? Over there. By the tip of my rod. Where they go now? There they are. There they are there. Well, that's kind of a good sign, I think. I think my bait's off though. So today I am fishing with a bit of bait. So I want to see if I can get a few good snapper. The goal today is basically just to catch some fresh fish, just for us to stock up the freezer. The last few trips hasn't been that great, so keen to get a few good fish in the bin. It's only a tiny little bait. I find it kind of works, especially in areas when the fishing's a bit, slow. This seems to do the trick. So let's see if it will work for me today. I hope so. They're definitely biting, but they're like, man, like really small bites. Like really small bites. It's either a little reef fish or very small snapper. Alright guys, I'm calling it a day. Jet ski's giving me problems again. So yeah, luckily I'm close to land, so it'll be easy to get back. But anyway, I'll probably catch you back at the boat ramp. Was it not a bad day? Starting to look good at the moment, so I got the drone up. There it goes again. Yeah, that's me. Cheers guys. I'm trying the other key, see if and that makes a difference. Man, so nice out here. Seems like the learning key is working, so let's hope we make it back to the boat ramp. Even when you're having a bad day, you'll have to enjoy the little things. Look here, this water is, man. If you guys can hear that. Are we? You guys see this face? This is a not impressed face. Alright guys, got the ski back on the trailer and I've got a snapped freaking tie down. So let's see what we can do here.